Hey guys, Redneck Reaper here yet again for today. Um, I get to retract a previous statement. If you turn around and you watched my first review video ever, I did a review of a Kraken, I did a review of the Fogger, and I did a review of the Taifun GT. And I blasted the Taifun GT. That was my own stupidity. I apologize to the vaping community. Redneck Reapers was an idiot. I'm not going to say is an idiot, uh, solely because I'm turning around and retracting my statement. Um, I went out and bought another one. But I've got another Taifun GT. Came in today. And through my experience of building the K-Funds and learning the best way to get the best vape, best flavor out of those, I applied that to the Taifun GT. When I first bought it, it and my fogger were my first two tanks for rebuilding, and I'd never rebuilt anything, and I didn't have anybody teaching me how to rebuild, except for YouTube. All of you guys on YouTube that have put videos on there, I kept trying to mimic what you were doing and failed miserably with the Taifun. All I had was a leaky device. Don't have that problem now. Got this in, watched a couple of videos, figured out that this is actually how you fill it. You fill it down here and then you turn around and you plop it back over, because when you unscrew the top cap and put it back down, it floods it. So yeah, I do recommend the Taifun GT. It's on a scale of 1 to 10 of a complicated build, to get it just right. I would put it probably about a 6.5. The reason I put it at 6.5, first and foremost, I don't know if you can actually see in here. There's this little cap that goes over this Taifun GT sleeve, and that sleeve moves up and down. It is nicely lubricated and moves very easily. I have seen some videos where people had hard times getting that sleeve to move up and down. I can't get it to stay in place. But there's this cap that goes on top of the sleeve that's got a rubber washer on it. If you tighten it down too much, the washer pops out the sides of your wick holes. And you've got two wick holes, one on each side. So that's issue number one. Issue number two is the wick hole itself. If you don't fill that wick hole just right, it will leak. And your air hole down here, there's no way to adjust it. So that's going to offer you some leakage as well. All in all, I put my nest in there, made sure to pack it to where nothing was coming out of the wick holes, but it was packed tight enough to where very little would get in, and if it did get in, it's going into the nest. Built it. Very happy with it. Like I said at the beginning, I retract my statement about the Taifun GT. I will not say it's my favorite one by far. The EH Pro is probably going to be my number one. Then's going to go the Rocket. The Rocket, I can't believe how easy of a build and how great a vape and great flavor that it gives for the price. I mean, you can turn around and go on Fastech and get one for $12. That's ridiculous. You're going to have to wait for it, but still, And then from there, go to my Ithaca, then go to my Fogger, then go to my Sfomesto. But back to the Taifun. I've got Sweet Southern Vapes, Evil Monkey in here. It's like a banana mixed with cinnamon or something. I hate cinnamon, but for some reason I'm loving this. And the flavor that I'm getting out of this Taifun GT is absolutely ridiculous. I wasn't expecting it when I finally got it built and working and correcting myself. So got it on my Cool Fire 2. Got it at 12 watts. I think the coil in here I ended up getting at a 2.1. So let's give her a hit. Just a great hit. Yeah, that's me getting used to cinnamon. That juice has got a nice, strong cinnamon flavor. Um, and then mixed with the banana. I think the banana is what's actually making me like it. I like kind of twisted flavors. Um, but all in all, I retract what I said. The Taifun GT, it is a great clone. Um, it's, like I said, it's probably about a 6.5 on the easiness of the build itself. There's just little things that kind of get kind of complicated or can get complicated or cause issues for you. But other than that, I do recommend it. Don't recommend it for a beginner. That would definitely be the Rocket or a Fogger. But yeah, thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching this. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free, leave them below. And I'm Redneck Reaper, telling the whole world to vape on.